So I go in and out of this door like 20 times a day, and it's gotten to that dangerous point where I'm starting to think, like deep in my brain, like it's normal. You gotta step up and over to get in. It's just not right. I'm assuming at some point there was like a step or landing here. Like, who puts a door up high? And the thing is, it doesn't even need to be this high. Like, it could have been down low at the concrete level. So I got two options here. I could lower the door, or I could raise up the ground. Lowering the door would be the easiest for sure. Like, just, you know, pull the frame, chop, put it down to the concrete level, put a little metal up top. But you got to look at like the bigger building, bigger picture. It's like super boxy and plain and just unornamented. I feel like I want like just like a little something over here, a little porch. Alright, design phase, level 1. Do I want this door kind of like even on the porch? I sort of wanted it over here, but then I gotta deal with like electric and stuff. Even on the porch with the door, or is the porch over? Now I know I'm gonna regret this because it's only 2 holes and it's like better. It's always better to dig stuff by hand. Get a little exercise. Oh, this thing is so awful. Good job. All right, you guys scoot over, darling. Scoochy, scoochie. Now, I know there's some people who would do this job by planning first, you know, sketching it out, everything, AutoCAD, and then get all the materials, then you dig your holes, etc. I just kind of dispensed with the first couple steps, dug the holes. At that point, you sort of have to get the stuff. You got like 7 babies? Come on now, I'll pick her. Don't freak out, that's just like a little temporary ledge. All right, let's just do like a little status update. Just by my better judgment, I went ahead and put in all the Simpson ties all the way around. Steps gonna come this way, and then up top I haven't really done anything. I just put in 2 rafters, and I just figured that would be easier to access when I got something to stand on. Alright, so with the decking on, oh, that feels good. Still need to stair over here. I don't want to put it on this side just because I drive through here with all kinds of stuff. So stair over here. And then this is also a big step. It's like a wee bit drippy rainy out here. Big old fat decky on there. I just hate stairs that kind of, you know, I think when the rain quits, it's time for the roof and like a little bit of, I think they call that stuff flashing. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, but there was like a little bit of a, let's just call it like a screw up, putting in the roof stuff. There's like a little wobble in the wall. So my first piece went on like just a teeny bit crooked. So then everything started getting crooked. So then I was chasing the crooked and kind of trimming stuff back. So it worked out fine. It's not like a huge deal. And I think over the corner, it's gonna need like a little bit of goop. Otherwise, that'll keep stuff flowing. So with that, a little kickback porch is wrapped up. Let me just like give you a walk around tour. I think the first goal was to eliminate the crazy step up that was required to get it out of the building. That's all tuned up. And there's also just like a little bit of space for the old rocking chair. I don't think I have the old rocking chair. I don't think I'm gonna do the stairs over here. I had thought I would keep them as like an option. I just don't really go that way that often. And the stairs like low and flat. I gotta peel those stickers off the hangers. Those just always bug me. I feel like the aircraft hangar is kind of coming around at this point. You know, I started a while back kind of tuning this building up, trying to save it from ruin. And right now it's functioning pretty good as like a welding and equipment shop. Still needs like a little TLC. I'll have to watch some of those how-to videos. Getting in and out of the door, at least that's tuned up. This right here has not been a how-to video. There are some squeaky clean how-to videos on the interwebs. You check them out and tell you just what to do. This is just the story of how I did it. Appreciate you checking it out.